Outdoor workout is the easiest way to stay fit without spending money in the gym. This is a natural way to stay fit and strong without going to the gym. So I start off with my lunges. There are benefits of lunges which I want to relate to us. Lunges strengthens lower body muscles. Lunges target the glutes, the hamstring and calves, helping build muscle strength and endurance. Lunges improves balance and stability. Lunges enhance core strength, boosts functional fitness, improves hip flexor flexibility. The stretch during a lunge helps open up and improve flexibility in tight hip flexors. Aids in symmetry and muscle imbalances, burns calories and aids weight loss, and no equipment needed whatsoever. Lunges can be performed anywhere with just your body weight, making them convenient and versatile. With the use of this brick, which adds extra weight to my workout, it aids and helps in burning calories and aids weight loss. As a compound movement, lunges work multiple muscles at once, increasing calorie burn and supporting fat loss. So with extra weight I am holding on, there is a massive burning of calories and fats on my body. And guys, you need to see the effect on my thigh. The thigh muscle is so strong and getting bigger by the day. The next important exercise here is push-ups. Push-ups helps build upper body strength, engages core muscles, improves functional fitness, increases muscular endurance, enhances cardiovascular health, promotes better posture, convenient and equipment-free, supports joint and bone health. Controlled push-ups but moderate stress on the bones. Next important exercise here is squats. Squats have benefits of building lower body strength, stressing the core, improves mobility and flexibility, burns calories and boosts metabolism, enhances balance and coordination, boosts athletic performance, promotes better posture, supports hormonal health, Squats is adaptable anywhere. Squats can be done with body weight or added resistance like dumbbells, barbells. In this instance, I'm using a brick, making them suitable for all fitness levels. A strong lower body and core help support your spine and improve posture over time, which squats normally do, promotes better posture. Next is my walking lunge, and this improves my quadriceps, glutes, hamstrings, calves, core for balance. Benefits: improves lower body strength and endurance, enhances balance and coordination, builds functional strength, boosts hip flexibility. Those are the benefits of my walking lunge. Next is my leg kicks. Benefits of leg kicks: improves flexibility, especially in the hips, hamstring and quads, warms up lower body muscles, great before intense workouts or sports, enhances balance and coordination, engages core muscles, helps stabilize your trunk, boosts leg both strength and control, perfect for warm-ups, martial arts, dance or mobility training. jumping squats, also known as jump squats. Benefits of jumping squats: builds explosive power, develops fast twitch muscle fibers, improving speed, jump height, and athletic performance. Increases leg strength, targets quads, glutes, hamstring, and calves. Burns more calories. The explosive movement elevates your heart rate, making it effective for fat burning. Improves cardiovascular fitness, enhances balance and coordination. It also boosts functional movement. And here comes a more intensive jump squats where I lifted a weight weighing up to 20 kg. So jumping with a weight of 20 kg and squatting at the same time is a more intensive way of doing my jumping squats. It burns more calories and improves cardiovascular fitness, acts like cardio while building strength, enhancing heart and lung endurance. Those are the benefits of my jumping. This is some few push-ups with a bit of leg walks. This is where I stay fit. Thank you for watching.